We are
Team EcoGrow
from SMK Mobile Miri Sarawak. We are former students and our project is based in Miri Sarawak, Malaysia. Our community, tree planting is common, but we notice one local environmental problem that is always ignored. The use of black plastic nursery bags for tree growing seedlings.
In our local community in Miri, black plastic polybags are widely used in plant nurseries, school planting projects, landscaping, and tree planting programs.
First, these plastic polybags are single-use. Once removed from the plant, they are usually disposed into the trash bin. Second, black plastic is difficult to recycle. As a result, most of these plastic bags end up in landfills, open dumping areas, or are burned. Third, when plastic polybags are left in open areas and contribute to marine plastic pollution. Over time, these plastic break down into smaller pieces called microplastic and may affect soil quality, plant growth, and even enter the food chain.
We have interviewed two plant nurseries in Miri, which are TG Garden and Wens Horticulture. Our findings show that TG Garden uses around 2,200 polybags, while Wens Horticulture uses around 3,000. Based on these findings, if one polybag is around 5 grams, we can multiply it by the 3,000 polybags in Wens Horticulture and get around 15 kg for 6 months. There are around 20 registered nurseries in Miri. Based on this information, we can assume the total amount of polybags disposed each year in Miri is around 600 kg. This excludes home gardening, school gardening, and unregistered nurseries.
To solve the problems that started before, our project aims to replace polybags with EcoPot, a biodegradable pot.
Many EcoPot projects require special molds, machines, or factory processes. Our project is different. All the ingredients and tools for our EcoPot can be found at home. No machinery, no special molds, because we believe everyone can do it, and everyone has the responsibility to protect the earth.
To achieve this goal, we plan to use simple and safe ingredients such as recycled paper, water, starch or flour as a natural glue, and fruit waste such as our EcoPot uses fruit peels such as select fruit skin. Select is well known in Sarawak and many people eat it daily. Select peels are strong and help EcoPot last longer, especially during frequent watering. To make sure everyone can follow, we recorded the entire process of making the EcoPot. We print a QR code on every EcoPot so others can scan it, watch the steps, and make it themselves at home.
We are truly concerned about protecting our environment. This project is not just for competition.
The materials that I used for my EcoPot is cut up snake fruit skin, rice flour and water, and also dried leaves. The apparatus that I use for my EcoPot is plastic gloves, scissors, spoon, container, small pot, plastic, and blender. First, we must prepare the snake fruit. We must cut the snake fruit skin into small pieces and add a bit of water. Then, we must prepare the dried leaves by crushing it with our hands. Next, we need to mix all the ingredients, which is 1 container of snake fruit skin, 1 container of dried leaves, 3 to 4 spoons of rice flour, and a bit of water. Next, using gloves, we must mix and crumble all the ingredients together. Then, we must put the mixture into the blender. Keep blending the mixture until it turns into a paste or clay-like texture. The mixture should have a consistency as shown in above. If the consistency is not to your liking, feel free to knead the paste and add water and rice flour if needed. Next step is to shape the pot, which consists of pressing the mixture into your chosen pot and using a spoon or your hand to shape the inside of the pot. Next step is drying. Place the pot on a stable or flat surface exposed to the sun and wait 2 to 3 days.